Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I'm feeling sick.
First of all, who are you?
Gordon Degi.
Gordon Degi.
Yes.
Can you stand here? You said you're sick.
Yes, I'm sick.
Can you do this way? Do this one. Are you sick?
Yes.
What do you want?
Leave out shit so that I can go home and get medication.
Mr. Degi.
Yes.
You want to leave out sheet? Yes. Can you squat? Do 5 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are not sick. Have you drunk porridge?
Yes.
Have you taken Flagyl? Panadol?
I've taken Panadol, but the headache is not going.
It's not going away.
Yes.
It is not going because you don't want to give it time. You just want to go home.
Child.
You want to go and seduce ladies at home.
No, I've tried. I've taken a lot of Panadol.
You have taken a lot of Panadol. So you want to drag yourself so that they can say that you did in school, eh?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
No, not child.
You are not sick, Jana. You are in Form 4?
From 4 West.
Form 4 West. Form 4 West are notorious. You just want... If you want us to give you suspension, we can give you that. But no leave out shit, Jana. Go to class.
Child, please.
Go down there again. Go to class. You are not sick. You are just in need of porridge and additions.